Oba! What up guys, welcome to the new Rock-On vlog. And today I'm gonna show you 5 easy tricks that you can do with your bike. So I'm not gonna give you a full-on description on how to do the tricks, but I'm gonna give you a quick overview and which are the tricks to start with. So let's start with the first one. It's been a while since we did a giveaway, so we are giving away this brand new Rock-On replica helmet, and how you can get it, stay with us and you will see. Okay, before we start, we need to switch off the ABS. Maybe sounds not logical, but it's gonna make our tricks much safer. Say it's not legal, which is good for us. Okay, skitching time, or sliding on the side, or however you want to call it. What we're gonna do first is the right foot on the left back and then left foot on the floor, going lower, ribs on the seat, and you are adding the second foot and we are skitching. Yeah. Woohoo! And you go around 30 kilometers per hour, first gear, just enough speed so you can slide that you're not too slow and not too fast. So stopping, you press the clutch here and you go back on the bike. Sure, you can do that while you're riding, but that takes a bit of practice, so you gotta feel how to go back on the bike. Usually I press down my feet and just jump back on the bike. Okay, next trick is Superman. Actually the easiest trick you can do on the bike, and it's a perfect trick. You can entertain your friends and have a cool picture for your Instagram. Okay, let's do a Superman. Let's fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. And it's a trick that it's fun, but it hurts your balls. Okay, next trick. Damn, those burnouts, both feet on the ground, like pros are doing. This is my favorite trick. Okay guys, that's... oh, sorry. You like that new haircut, Dominic?
Yeah, this is like in your scooter days.
In Sorry, yeah, I had a wrong hair, how you say, barber. I don't know why he lied, the Bundesliga haircut. Okay, burnouts, both feet down. It's actually how I started back in the day to do those first steps into a rolling burnout. It's the basic thing to learn. Both feet down, upper body on the front, so you transform the weight on the front wheel, you don't lose the grip. Locking front tire, throttle, clutching it out, and you are doing a burnout. One of the easiest tricks to do. It's a bit expensive because of the rear tire, but it makes fun. You impress your friends, and the basic burnout, it's actually the first step before you do the rolling burnouts. And the drifts. And it's actually, when you learn it, you can step up the game and you can compete with your friends who can do a burnout while you're balancing on the bike. It's actually a pretty fun game to do. Okay, Dominic, that's the burnout. Maybe you want to learn it?
Not today.
Not today. Okay guys, drop some comments below if Dominic should learn in one of the next vlogs a burnout. I would love to teach him a trick.
Okay, if we reach 50, then I do it.
Drop some comments below. Hashtag Dominic Burnout Challenge. Dominic gonna learn a burnout. I would love to see that.
Hey, Burnout Steve,
What?
I see you make a perfect donut.
Yeah, man, that's why they pay me millions of dollars to do some burnouts, donuts, just keep the tire smoking. That's my job. That's why they call me Burnout Steve. Steve Burnout. No-hander circle riding. Next trick, pretty fun trick to do, and you don't use your hands, as you can clearly see. You squeeze the bike between your legs and you are moving the bike left and right with your upper body and with your legs, not with the hands. You can first start just to go straight to have a feel how it feels without hands. Try to do it in the higher gears. I'm using now the third gear on the Duke 390. The faster you go, the easier it is to balance. I'm actually using that trick also on my shows to rest the hands from the arm pump that I get in this 20 minutes, and it's also pretty funny for the crowd, and yeah, people love it. Woohoo! Okay guys, giveaway time. 2 steps what you need to do. First one, you need to share that vlog that you're watching right now on your Facebook page and support us so more people can see it. And the second one is actually, as this helmet is my 3rd helmet already, was a big dream of mine to have my own replica helmet. So this time I would like to hear your dreams and how you want to make them happen. Drop in the comments below and I'm gonna choose my favorite one. So good luck on that, and I'm really excited to hear your dreams. Rock on. Okay, next trick and the last one, it's so-called power slide. It's actually pretty useful trick that you can use on your bike when you come into a very tight place or a dead end where you need to turn on a very limited space. So it's actually a pivot turn, but I'm gonna show you how to use that skill on the tarmac. Let's go. Okay, time to power slide. Pretty important, ABS off like on all the tricks, because if you don't have a ABS off, you cannot lock the rear tire and you cannot do the power slide. Okay, so imagine this is a tight corner in the forest or on the street and you need to turn around. You don't have a lot of space, you cannot normally turn, so you need to do a power slide and turn. Okay, you need to do 3 things at once. First, locking the rear tire. Second, left foot down. And the third one, you're leaning the bike into the corner, and that's how you're gonna power slide and turn. So locking, foot down, turn. Pretty easy. I wanted to turn between those cars, and you have sand, so you need to be careful. If you have little stones or sand in front of you, skip that trick because you're gonna crash and you don't want to do that. Okay, Dominic, guys, that's it for this time. So Dominic, what do you say? Will you do some tricks in the future? Now you learned some tricks.
Yeah, I just need a bike.
You just need a bike now. Okay, we are still waiting for the hashtags, guys. Don't forget, I want to teach Dominic how to burn out. Okay, thanks to Burnout Steve for coming out. It was really a pleasure to meet him. Such a
Your cousin is
crazy
amazing.
guy, man. Huh?
Your cousin is amazing.
He is, right? Crazy guy. I hope we're gonna see him soon again. Yeah, that's it for this time. If you want to learn those tricks, go to a spot that it's closed, that it's safe, that it's not on the streets where is a lot of traffic. Wear protective gears. Still, they are simple, but they can be dangerous. You can crash. I was doing all those tricks on a stock bike, on my stock 390 Duke. Only the handlebar and the sprockets is the difference, but they don't make any difference when you do those tricks. Dominic, I would say that's it for this vlog, right?
Yeah, it's already getting dark.
And for the helmet, you know what you need to do. We are already excited to hear about your dreams. Drop some comments below and see you next week. Until then, rock on.